Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A11 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security. Then let's scroll down again and localize this option app installation, this section, and tap on unknown source installations. Here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it. Just find the app and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you are responsible for the changes, and basically you have to be aware that some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So just tap on allow, and as you can see the Chrome is active in my case, which means that it is allowed to install some content. Of course you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher, and from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.